All right, everybody. Well, this is what we got going on. So, so I cleaned it up, painted it. I didn't rebuild it. This engine was it's the original engine out of this car. It was a good engine. I don't plan on keeping it for very long, but yeah, I just did a little cool little dress-up kit. Delete plate, Edelbrock dress-up kit. I got the air cleaner on the way. I got the valve covers. So what I ended up doing with this car, since I deleted, like I just wanted to look as clean as possible. I didn't want none of that smog stuff because in California, this car is going to be technically a show car. So it's not going to be in the streets. But yeah, you know what I mean? So I didn't want to be running all that smog equipment with all the wires all over the place. I mean, everybody says that LS is the way to go because of reliability, right? But I mean, you can't go wrong with reliability when you just have fuel, spark, and air, I guess would be the third one, right? So I already got the Edelbrock over there. I think I got the 1406 or something like that. So I got an electric choke one, and this right here I got it at Amazon, which I kind of regret getting because it was only like 60 bucks with the wires. I know it's probably going to be cheap, but I wanted to see how this was going to work. This is the first time I ever do this where I'm deleting everything else, and I just wanted to run like, you know, like a 70s pickup truck, early 70s pickup truck. So went ahead and found top dead center on the compression stroke. On the compression stroke. I dropped the distributor down. Oh no, actually before I dropped the distributor down, what I did was when I put it on top dead center, I don't think you'll be able to see that. No, you're not gonna see that. But when I had it right at top dead center on the compression stroke, I went in there with a screwdriver because I noticed that the oil pump was off, and I remember I seen a video somewhere, I don't remember where it said you could just, you know, turn it with the screwdriver. So what I did was I turned the actual oil pump, I turned it over just a little bit so it could line up, and boy, that thing just smacked right in there. And I mean, it's already here too what the firing order is. Since it's a stock intake, it tells you which cylinder is which, and I just got to wiring them all up. I still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do over there. I'm pretty sure that's just power for that distributor. But yeah, so on this Caprice, I did order already like 2 sets of headers, and once I get the new ones, hopefully those are it. I'll kind of just show which ones are which for this car, because with the my bad, but with the ones that I ordered, the passenger side fit good. On the driver's side, it was weird. The ones that came out of this side right here, out of the middle, they were like wrapping around over hella crazy, almost like if they went around this rod right here. And I tried to run the rod through it too and everything, and it wasn't working out. I think those are more for like a Chevy pickup truck that's just has a little bit more room. So I ended up ordering another set, and on the description on eBay it said headers that hug the block. So I'm guessing they're just gonna come out and, you know, just go right down, which is what I want right here, you know. So like I was saying, on this car, I just want to be able to just hit the road, and if I'm ever, you know, somewhere out of town cruising or shit out of state and something happens, you know, a bad gasket or a bad distributor, you know, even the carburetor, I mean, shit, just anything that I could just swap out real quick, I think that would be the way to go. Because with LS's, I mean, they say, oh, they're more reliable, but at the end of the day, it's a whole lot of more electrical to it, you know. So I would say going this way, it's actually more reliable. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going. So let's see. This is what we got here. I went ahead and ordered the inline filters that come with it. Well, it doesn't come with it, but that are meant for it, because these little filters, they're pretty cheap to just exchange. So you buy the housing once, and then that filter inside just gets replaced whenever it gets plugged up. And then also ordered this, what is it? Fuel line kit. I mean, I guess technically it says you could just run, like you can just hook your hose straight to the carburetor, but this is just to make it look a little cleaner. It's, you know, it's a nice way to spend an extra 40 bucks. So this right here I had to order because of the whole not upgrading my intake, which I know a lot of people are gonna say, oh, you should have just bought the intake, but it's pretty hard to get that kind of stuff here in California, and even when you do, they want like 400 bucks. So this was only like $20, I think, and the EGR delete kit was like $7. So there you have it. And then power of the resistance. Let's see what this bad boy got. Scared me. Ooh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. So I think this gasket right here was gonna be if I already had that air. What is it called? Air ram or RPM? Yeah, there you go. It's an RPM Edelbrock intake. I don't have that. Probably need something else from there though. Instructions. Yeah. Oh, it already came with a fuel filter. Nah, it looks nicer. That looks nicer right there. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh shit, I broke it. Damn, this would be nice to open up on Christmas. What a beauty! There it is. So it is a 1406, 81,263, 8748, 2696. And that's what's being used for this setup. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and just start installing it. Bye bye. Out of here. Estoy haciendo un unboxing. What's it called? B&M Racing and Performance. Más chingoncillo. This product and it's oh no, never mind. Don't read that shit. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Ooh, look at that shit right there. Ooh, look at that shit right there. Wow, looks nicer in person. But for sure, it shouldn't go back. Let me show you. There we go. Got it. Linkages. What you got there? You see it? You see it? What the hell is this? What is this?
It's a bear.
That's a cholo bear. Or is he a solo bear? Is that what you ordered? Nice. Out. And it took 3 weeks for this to get here? Did, huh? Alright everybody, the steering linkage is in. So the new pitman arm should have came with the bolts, but I had to end up using the old bolts. Just clean them up. But we're about ready to start up. Just need to put the tubs in. We'll clean them up, paint them, put the tubs in, buy a battery, put fluids in this bad boy. I don't really have to put the radiator on to turn it on, but I'm going to, just so it could be ready to go. That's it. Steering, brakes, fuel lines ran. Trocas, hijo de su puta madre. Alright, about to get this bad boy started. Got grounds. And this is ground. This is going to the starter. Transmission lines. Still need the upper and lower rad hose, but I want to see if it's going to turn on first. I already got the fluids in there. Let's see what it's going to do.
If these measurements are off and the body is twisted, then this is a total car. We put Drew all the way down the hill. At least not the way we're going to do it. Oh my gosh.
Are we keeping all this wiring?
I answered almost all of your questions. To get all this stuff out of the Tesla. This is a complicated teardown because everything we get out of the Tesla has to go back in after we get our engine installed. So the console's coming out. You know there's room to do stuff in here. After probably one of the most tedious, longest teardowns ever, I think we can finally start building this car. So we have to fun now. It's time to have fun. I'm ready to do it.
a little smokage. What do we got? What do we got? That is the haters.
This is our first time
All
troubleshooting
right.
around work here, and I mean, we did the best we could on the first shot. She's by the foot. I think this one was just gonna work, but honestly, until Mark puts that one back on the road and tests it, we really are getting great job.
Oh yeah. So I think it's a go since it turns on. See if it'll turn right back on again. Fucking beautiful. There she goes. Here she goes. All right. Damn it, I should have got the radiator hose and stuff. Okay. Power in here already. Right.